Hello Mr. Poopy. Welcome to Dominic Doom Talk Show. It has been nice of you to drop by to our talk show. Could you share a little more information about yourself?
Oh yes, indeed. Hello everyone, my name is Patrick Poopy. I am the governor for the country called Genovia. Do come to our country and I will show you all the poop there.
Oh yes. So basically, Genovia is the so-called land of poop, isn't it? How did you get all the poop to your country?
Well, at first, we don't have toilet seat at our country, so basically we just poop anywhere we want. It's a free country. Everyone deserves to poop anywhere.
Wow. What an amazing country. How about the people there? Do they love this free pooping?
Hell yes, they love it. They say, it's the best thing in their life. No toilet is the best way to save up water too.
Really? Wow. But won't the poop smell? I mean, the poop comes out from our ass, so won't it smell?
Never. The poop would not smell. Because all my workers will spray Justin Bieber's perfume and the poop will smell lovely.
Ha ha ha, good idea sir. I heard Queen Elizabeth was there too, right?
Yes, she did. She pooped quite a lot and she was having so much fun. I am happy she approved of our country. Everyone, please come to Genovia. It's the land of poop.